Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the small program in code conversion process. Here, the hexadecimal number convert into ASCII code. It's a simple program of code conversion. Let us take it as one input hexadecimal number. Here, 3050 is a memory location. In this memory location, the hexadecimal value is E4. What is the response of this program? What is the result you can get? That result is stored in 3051 memory location, 3052 memory location. These two memory locations are hold the ASCII equivalent number for this E4. Now we check it the result through the program. As usual, you make it as two column. The first column namely called as program counter and second column is a code pneumatics. The origin of the program is 3000 H. In this memory location, it holds the instruction LDA 3050. The first instruction says just you get the hexadecimal value from 3050 memory location. The content is loaded into accumulator register. Here 3050 is a memory location. In this memory location, the data is E4. After execution of this instruction, the accumulator content is E4. It's a 3-byte instruction. You need a 3 memory location to execute the instruction. Next memory location 3003. In this memory location, it represents move B, A. Whatever value present in accumulator, this content is transferred to B register. After execution, B register content now E4. Just copying the content from accumulator to B register. The third instruction ANI 0FH. It's a immediate data. This I represent for immediate value. AND function with accumulator content and 0FH. Just clearing the bit. Now accumulator content is E4. Just you write the binary number of E4. 1110 is equal to E. Then 4 0100. First you write the binary number of 0F. Write the binary number of 0 and F. All the bits of 1. Taking the AND function. You know the AND property. Both the inputs are high level. You can get the results also high. Any one of input is 0. The corresponding output also 0. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. In this function, you just clearing the higher 4 bit. Clearing the higher 4 bit. The lower 4 bit value, whatever here placed, the same content is present here after execution. Is it clear? The next instruction called sub1. This sub1 is a subroutine program. You just call the subroutine program. This program goes to here in this place sub1. In this label, it represents one instruction CPI 0AH. This CPI is a compare immediate value with 0A. 0A is a immediate content. This content is compared with the accumulator content. After execution, here the accumulator content is 04. 04 is the accumulator content. Just comparing the two values. So accumulator content 04, immediate value I represent IMM 0A. Just comparing the two content, A is less than the immediate value. This condition we discussed in previous video. A value is less than immediate content. In this case, the carry is said to be 1. After execution of this instruction, the carry value equal to 1. Just checking the condition, JC skip, jump on carry. So this instruction, after execution of this instruction, it produces any carry or no carry. Just check. In this condition. Here one carry is produced, the instruction is true. Once the condition is true, it go to the skip location. So skip label. In this label, it hold the instruction ADI 30H. AD represent for addition, I represent for immediate. It's a 30. 30 is a immediate value. Just adding the two values. One value you can get from accumulator and another value is an immediate value. Just adding the two content. Now the accumulator content is 4, 0, 4. The immediate content is 30. You can write the binary number of 30. Just adding the two content 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. After execution of this instruction, the result of accumulator is 34. Accumulator content is 34. The next instruction return back the main program. The main program location is 3009. After execution of this return command, it come back to the main program 3009. In this memory location, it hold STA 3051. After execution of this ADI instruction, the accumulator content is 34. This 34 is load to 3051 memory location. Whatever value present in accumulator, that content is transferred to 3051. Now 3051 memory location, it hold 34 H. This 34 is a equivalent of 4. ASCII equivalent of 4 is 34. The next instruction move A comma B. Whatever value present in B register E4, the content is move to accumulator. Now accumulator content is E4. Then ANI F0 H. Now you are clearing the lower bit value. You write the binary number of E4 110 01 00. The immediate content is F0. You can write the binary number of F and 0. Here A represent for AND function. I is the immediate data is F0. You can take the AND function 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. In this function, you clear the lower 4-bit value. You maintain as it is the higher 4-bit value. Is it clear? The next instruction RLC, rotate left the accumulator register content. The accumulator register content is 110 00 00. You rotate the accumulator content in left direction. So this value moves here 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. After first rotation, you can get the result C1. Now you take this as second rotation RLC, rotate left direction. Once again, you rotate the content 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. After the second rotation, now you can get 8 3. Now you take as the third rotation 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0. After the third rotation, you can get the result 0 7. Once again, you rotate the accumulator content in left direction 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. After the fourth rotation, you can get the result 0E. This 0E is stored in an accumulator. Okay. The next instruction call sub1. Again, you call the subroutine program sub1. Here the instruction is CPI 0A H. Just comparing the accumulator content with the immediate data. The accumulator content is 0E. Accumulator content 0E. immediate value 0A. Just comparing the two content, accumulator is greater than the immediate value. In this case, the carry value equal to 0. Here, JC skip. This condition is false. Once the condition is false, it executes the next instruction ADI 07H. Just adding the content with accumulator. The accumulator value is 0E. Immediate data is 07. We just add the two content. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, triple 1, 1, so 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. After the instruction, you can get the result 1, 5. The next instruction ADI 30. Just adding the accumulator content with the immediate data 30. Just adding the two content 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1, 0. The next instruction return back to the main program. Let's come to this location 3016. In this memory location, hold STA3052. Whatever value present in the accumulator, now the accumulator content is 45. This 45 is transferred to 3052 memory location. This value is 45. The next instruction is halt, HLT. So halt represent 4. It's the end of the program. So in this program, the 3051 stored the 34. This 34 is equivalent of 4. The hexadecimal value 4, the equivalent value of ASCII is 34. And 3052 memory location will hold the data is 45. This 45 is equivalent of E. That's a result of this program. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.